Okay, everyone, Spellbinder Spring Cleaning Warehouse Sale is here. I'll have a link right to that section in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So thank you so much for using them. I think this is at the beginning of the pandemic last year, one of the first sales I got into, and I was like, whoa, because things are $1, $2, $3, $5, $10. If you are a club member, if you're logged in, you'll get your 10% off on some things. I think it usually works so that things are like 90 cents instead of $1 or whatever, 10% off. Not everything goes. I'm just saying that just in case, but it may not be the case this year. I don't know. I just feel like I remember that last year. Oh, this is the Sweet Street stuff I used yesterday with that little cake. And then they're showing some of the April new arrivals. Okay, so to just give you an idea, the link I will have in the description box will pop you right over to this section, and you can sort through things by $1, $2, $3, $5, 10 plus. All deals, you can check them, I think, through the type of product, so it's kind of easy to just navigate there. Even up here, you sort. So, like stamp sets for $1, Game of Gnomes, one of my favorite die sets, $10, these are Glimmer hot foil plates, $5. Oh, I'm going to use my hot foil plates, the Glimmer of the month this month. I want to try it out, so obviously I like to review everything as it comes in, but I do want to let you guys know I will be doing that. Card like this one, it's $15. With all those papers and dies and everything beautiful that's in there. I probably reviewed this one since this is one from May of last year. Dies right here. Summer Blooms die set, $1. Oh, that reminds me. Today's busted out. I'm going to, since I'm talking about Spellbinders, use some really old Spellbinders dies that the first time I even bought was for Heartfelt Creation stamps. And I haven't made those flowers in years, so I thought, you know what, I'll bring them out. And I feel like Summer Bloom's one of them. I think they're just called Blossoms, but it looks very much like this for $1. I paid $30. Anyway, Unicorn Dreams card kit, another awesome one. I love with the little unicorn stuff, $15. These are all dies. Looks like large dies of the month. There was this small die of the month. That's $5. I picked this up. It's just the little words, the little letter. I love font things. So thinking of you, and then they're all separate letters or words. Sympathy, sending, congrats, and this kind of thing is really, really great. Just lots of stuff, rub-ons. I mean, not all the card kits are $15. This one's $20. It is a newer one, and that's probably why it's a little bit. But the dies in this are so pretty. This one's from April of 2020, so just 1 year ago. And, you can see through there the fountain pens, which are amazing. I've done a review on them before, I think, when I was doing an organizer review. These are the refills for it. Sorry, my editor keeps acting funny. But, yeah, just for a few bucks on the fountain pens, which are really awesome. They even have the refills there, again, for $2. Really, really great. These are really great, too. The Aqua Brushes by Jane Davenport, $2. I mean, there's so much you can go through here. So, cut and emboss folders for $5. Some are $3. It just depends on the style. All right, guys. Well, have a great day. I'll have the links in the description box for you. I'll see you back later for the Busted Out, which will be a lot of fun. Look at this. Small die of the month. I reviewed this when it came out. Obviously, it's fine. I've had it for a year now, but or almost a year. It's from August. $5. There's another one I always really liked. I think I picked it up recently. Not recently, but like the last time they had a sale. The friendship necklace. I think that's really cute. It keeps cutting off. I'm so sorry, but yeah, it's such a cute set. They just cut it out in the gold, and it's so cute. Pop it on your card. But anyway, guys, great sale. I'll have the links for you. If you have any creative rewards, if you ordered from them before, if you're a club member, you might have some $5, $10, $15 to take off. You can take it off on top. It would be really great. Oh, I've just about had it with this editor. Okay, so yeah, use your points if you have any. And yeah, guys, I'll see you later today. And thanks for watching, and have a good one. Bye now.